Hi guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and I am here to talk about our brand new stencil brushes. So we've got two new sizes. So this is our original and then we've got these two here. So you can see the size difference on these. Okay, so they are exactly the same bristles as our original. They're a little bit more denser and denser again. And these are fantastic for what we're going to be doing. I'm going to show you now the difference between them all. Okay, so the small one is great for detail. So just to give you an example, I'm going to take that flower and first of all I'm going to use our bigger brush. This is softer, okay, so you get a much softer finish with it. And our medium size is a little bit more dense, okay, so it gets into those little nooks and crannies. And then we've got our small one, which is fabulous. And this really does get into the detail. It means you can just concentrate on areas that you want to cover. So if I want a little bit of a green around that flower, I've got that control to be able to do so. If I want a little bit around the edge, I can also do that as well. Let's just have a look now and you can see what you get. So that is a great one for control. And the medium size one, as I say, is just in between. So a little bit denser again for detail. But the three of them together are fantastic. So I just wanted to share that with you today. These are on the website as we speak, launched today. So I hope you enjoy them. That's all I wanted to share with you today, guys. Thanks for watching. You take care. See you soon.